Welcome to the class. Before we get started and even open Adobe After Effects, I want to talk about what we'll go through in this course and the class projects. For those of you who are not familiar with After Effects or never used any of the Adobe software before, the program itself can be intimidating and there are probably 1,000 buttons and tools you can click on, and each one of them will do a different thing. However, we will not cover all of them at once, so don't be so overwhelmed. We'll figure this out together and I'll give you a complete overview of the program while working on a real-world project, so you get an understanding of how animation works in real practices. To be honest, After Effects is the industry standard when it comes to 2D animation, but it can also do a lot of other things like color grading, motion tracking, slow motion, and all kinds of special effects. In this course, we will only be covering the 2D animation aspect of After Effects, which is the foundation for motion graphics. For the class project, we'll be creating an animated intro video so you can use it as a part of your demo reel or portfolio. You can download the project file in the resource section to follow along. The artwork is already pre-made, so you don't have to worry about the design part and can focus on the animation, start animating right away. Another thing, if you don't already have Adobe After Effects on your computer, I'll show you how to download a free trial version of Adobe Creative Cloud so you can use it for the project and decide if you want to keep the subscription later on.
To download Adobe After Effects, all you need to do is to go to the browser, type in adobe.com, and then it will bring you to the Adobe website. Start here with the free trial. Click on that. For the individual version, it's going to be $54.99 per month after the free trial. And if you're a student or teacher, if you have a student ID, you can click on this version as well. It's going to be way cheaper. It's going to be $19.99 per month after the 7-day free trial. After that, you can just click on continue. See if you want to do a yearly plan or a monthly plan after the free trial. Say if we want to do the monthly plan, let's go to continue. And now it's asking you if you want to add the Adobe stock, which is going to be a stock footage website. It's going to be also a subscription model as well. It's $49.99 per month. You can say no thanks. Type in your email, continue, and put in your payment method. It's going to be free for the first 7 days. And make sure the ones you get is the Creative Cloud All Apps version. You're not downloading just only one software. You're not only downloading After Effects. After you download this software, and then you can install it on your computer. After you install it, it's going to show up on the top bar over here. This is a Creative Cloud icon. Click on that, and then you can go to the top left corner here, All Apps. These are all the apps you can download. Navigating this panel over here and just find Adobe After Effects. If you haven't downloaded anything yet, it's going to show up at the bottom here, and then click on install if it's After Effects. And also you might need Adobe Illustrator as well. I already have them installed, so that's why it's showing up in the installed panel over here on the top. So that's how you can download Adobe After Effects and Creative Cloud.
In this course, I'll be using a lot of keyboard shortcuts and it will be reflected on my screen once I hit on the keyboard. But I'll also say them out so that you know what the keys are pressed. Keyboard shortcuts are great ways to improve your efficiency and workflow. It separates the amateur animator from the professional ones. So if you want to do it the professional way, make sure you use a keyboard shortcut the way I do, and with practice, they will become natural and intuitive. That's it with the class project. Once you have After Effects installed, we'll talk about how to navigate within After Effects in the next class.